This video is for information purposes only, and Blackpool and Fylde Screen Repairs cannot be held responsible for any damage caused to your device if you attempt this repair yourself after watching this video. The first thing is to remove the back of the Galaxy S7 Edge. Doing this, we apply heat to about 60 degrees, no higher, and slowly work our way around the edge. It's only a small amount of adhesive on the back of the S7 Edge. It didn't take much taking off. We'll slowly work our way around. If you feel any resistance, just apply a bit more heat. Once you've worked your way all the way around, it should lift up pretty easy. There are 12 screws round the phone, non-hidden ones. They will remove pretty easy, and you'll be able to take the plastic shield out, which comes out in 3 pieces: the top, bottom, and the middle piece, which has the induction charger pad on it, which is just held on to the side with a very small amount of adhesive. This is our first look and repair of the inside of a Galaxy S7. There's a small piece of metallic tape holding the bottom of the battery and the bottom part of the plastic shield. So that's removed. We can start removing the plastic shield. The bottom piece lifts up quite easy. There's just a couple of little clips on it. Same with the top, it just unclips. There's 2 clips on the top and 2 on the sides. I'll peel off and release that little bit of tape on the induction charger, and that piece lifts out no problem. Next, if we go around and unclip all the little ribbon cables, they're all on plug and sockets, as Samsung always seems to use. one little screw inside which holds the headphone jack in place. Remove the two antenna cables. That's the earpiece speaker and front camera. If you remove the SIM tray, logic board should just lift out. And click the charger port. Just warm the battery up. There's two strips of adhesive running down the outside edges. You can take out the headphone jack. Just slides into the body of the phone. Proximity sensor. A little bit of adhesive on the ribbon cable. The ear speaker, there's a little bit of adhesive around that. And the vibration motor. The new screen comes attached with the mid-frame, so it's just a case of transferring all the parts over, and we'll do another video on putting it back together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you for watching Blackpool & Fylde Screen Repairs YouTube channel.